leaving the courthouse with a little more paperwork about tomorrow. I've posted this a few times and I'm going to continue to post it until we get some results. This has got to stop. Thank you, deputies. It's just absolutely got to stop. This is so sick what this guy did. He intentionally trapped this cat that we've given a name to, and that name is Ace. And we just came up with that name. It just kind of popped in our heads. I don't know why. Don't ask. But it was the first thing that came to my mind, because I was actually listening to Kiss, and I know that's weird, maybe for some of you, but that's just kind of how my mind works. And I was listening to Kiss, and thinking of a name for this cat. This cat with no name, no voice, and so I named him or her Ace, after Ace Frehley. This is so terrible, I mean, this man intentionally caught this animal in a live trap, in a small animal trap, and drowned it. Awful. Witness saw it. Don't ask me why they didn't jump in right after it. I don't know. But these are the facts, Let's do something about this. Write letters to the state's attorney.